So, Chewbacca, how do you like being on the movie set? Tell me something that made you very mad on Star Wars. What kind of sound did you used to make whenever you were shooting your gun? On Star Wars, when you shot your gun, what sound did you make while you were shooting it? Did you go?
Yeah.
So what's going to be the next? What other sounds do you know how to make, Chewbacca? Oh, Lord. Chewbacca. Goodness, Chewbacca. Do you know any slow songs, little sad songs, Chewbacca? Chewbacca, you're not very entertaining. But don't worry, you're still ugly.